is Ermac, and I am one of the product leads here at Richie AI. And today we wanted to give you a demo of our most recent iteration of our CRM or our technology specifically designed for loan and MCA brokers. It's important to mention that we have two business models, one being software for loan and MCA brokers, and the second being enterprise level software for large marketplaces, payment processors, and B2B SaaS platforms. So if you happen to be working for a marketplace, for a payment processor, and a B2B SaaS platform, please reach out to us at sales@richie.ai, and we will be happy to give you a quick demo of our product. But this demo is specifically designed for loan and MCA brokers. Quickly about our mission, we actually want to build a fair, transparent, and accessible credit system across the globe, and we want to accomplish that through data, innovation, and cooperation with large enterprise platforms. But if we talk about the MCA and business loan product or business loan brokers and product for them, it's important that we provide them with end-to-end, one-stop shop tech solution. So they can have everything online, and we provide them with everything they need to scale their business operations, which includes a website, its loan application management system, a portal for merchants, a lender submissions technology, and most recently we developed a really robust system to manage agents within a broker shop and affiliates that the broker might have. A little bit about our background. We're actually a Silicon Valley tech startup. We are New York based. We have, as I said, both large platforms and brokers, and then in the States and Canada today we have over 97 loan brokers who utilizes our technology. Back in 2019, we got backed by a venture fund based out of Charlotte, North Carolina, called CFV, or Carolina FinTech Ventures. Let's get back to the agenda of this demo today. So we'll quickly talk about the problem and the solution. We'll show you a few examples of how this system can be implemented, and then we'll jump right into the tech demo, looking into the website, into our application management system, how we manage agents and affiliates, how you can submit files to lenders, and we also have a variety of some additional features that might be very useful at your brokerage operations. That being said, let's jump in right into the problem. What it actually looks like for the majority of brokers, it's actually very hard for them to build technology themselves because it's very expensive and pricey, and because of that they have to rely largely on inefficient manual processes, or if they use any technology it's usually very antique or even absent in some cases. What's funny, because of those first two problems, they get into a larger problem, which is customer privacy and an opportunity to own or protect leads that they submit from either lenders who backdoor them or agents who steal those files. And because of that, we started as a marketplace ourselves back in 2019, and so we knew those problems, and as a result of it, we tried building a technology for ourselves first, which was a one-stop shop that managed the application, that was also serving as a website that allowed us to submit files directly to lenders and manage agents and affiliates. Most importantly, it actually had some very interesting technology to protect lead and customer privacy. All of that was built by us and for ourselves as part of our business model early on. But what we realized is that the technology was so good that we started licensing it out to other companies. And as I said, today over 97 brokers utilize our technology, and let's look into a couple of examples of those. So here's an example of a company called Mondola. This is a Canadian broker, and if you actually look, they have a very nice website, obviously, but if you hit get started, you'll see that it actually sends you to a subdomain that says app.mondola.com, which runs on our engine, and this is a typical loan application that we have for your merchants, or Mondola has for its merchants when they apply for financing. Same thing you can see here with Capital for Business. It's a Illinois-based broker shop, but if you hit apply now, you'll see that it also sends you to a subdomain, but the subdomain is white labeled, obviously, but it also runs on our infrastructure. So same thing was operating in the black. This is a Tampa-based broker shop, but if you hit sign in, you'll see that it also sends you to a subdomain, and it's also and it like older engine basically runs on our technology. So that's about case studies and examples of different companies utilizing our product. But let's look into what actually we built. So we built few things. First of all, Richie AI provides you with a website if you'd like. So it's a typical, very basic landing page that you can either connect to your main domain or into a subdomain, just like Mondola or Capital for Business, and have like a more professional view of yourself. We are not in the landing pages business, but we do provide like a very basic, very good website if you'd like. Also, this website serves as an application management system. If you are a merchant and your merchant would basically apply for a loan, provide you with all the information they need, go up until the end, have an application, they will be able to land on a dashboard that looks somewhat like this. And let me show you. Yeah, somewhat like this, where they have their own dashboard. Each of your merchants will have their own dashboard where they can upload their documents, upload their statements and documents, see offers, accept offers, and what's not. That system is available for each of your merchants. On the other hand, though, you are, as an admin or as a broker on file, you are able to see all those applications that you had submitted inside the same system. You can see those files, manage them, contact your merchants, update statuses, basically have a CRM or a basic application management system to help you prioritize and close as many deals as possible. What's actually important is that our core customers are scaling brokerage shops. Those that do not consist of one person, but usually consist of 5 to 10 people. And when that happens, you start realizing that the customer privacy and protecting leads is one of the key aspects of your business. And that's why we built a system that allows you to have multiple permission levels and multiple different types of roles depending on who your colleague is. So we currently have 4 levels of permission. So someone can be a super admin, someone can be an admin, an agent, or an affiliate. And those things are self-explanatory. Agents do not have access to files that do not belong to them, and super admins have access to everything, and affiliates basically get a link and bring you customers that you can close yourself and pay them a little bit of a commission. So all these 4 systems or roles are active today, and affiliate was built basically just last week. Our system also allows you to submit files to your own lenders. So what happens is that you can submit each of this file. If you have lender relationships, uh, the system will allow you to submit file right from here without having to go to your Gmail. And that's so much more efficient. And because it also provides you with some conditional logic, so you submit files only to the lenders that have highest probability of funding the guy. Our system provides you with white labeling. As you can see, you can brand it under your own business. You can connect it to a subdomain. But most importantly, our system provides what's called phone masking technology. Actually, losing access to your leads or having lenders go behind you and contact your merchants is a very common thing. And we built a system very similar to what Uber does. If you ever had to call an Uber driver, you will never reach the guy. You will be sent to a masked number that then reroutes you to the Uber driver. That's how they can track that you are not calling an Uber driver directly, but calling through Uber. That way, each of the conversation is recorded and also and you can see if they tried reaching out to them. And that's the technology we built inside Richie AI as well. So you can see if any of the lenders that you submitted your file to have called your merchant behind your back. That's super advanced technology that will help you protect the privacy of your leads. Also, we have a technology that allows your merchants to connect their bank accounts versus attaching statements instead. Overall, all of these features will make this system or this technology complete and robust and comprehensive for you to overall scale your brokerage shop. That being said, if this sounds something like interesting to you and you want to try this Richie AI technology within your broker shop, don't hesitate. Just scan this QR code, uh, go to the pricing page, check out, and sign up if you'd like. We'll be happy to have you as part of Richie AI. Thank you. Bye bye.